Hey Velvet, ven pa acá, wey. What's up, fam? I'm gonna be moving the cars around today. So my boy Jeremy, he's gonna bring his 11 Wrx so I can pull the engine out. He got a brand new short block, so we're gonna swap that out for him and then put it back in and then get him running. Cause I know he needs that boost. Yo, shout out to the homie Hector for letting me use that. Fucking, look at that vacuum. That's a huge bitch.
That's a huge bitch.
But yeah, look at that shit. Filthy, man. I've been neglecting this GC for a while. The seats aren't too bad. If you guys are wondering why I didn't take off my floor mats, fucking zip tied. Cause this thing fucking breaks all the time. This hole right here. So fuck it. It slides around that track, so I just fucking zip tied it. This side does come off, so rip this shit out. Much easier. Oh, you bitch. My car's already falling apart. You ain't even an STI, bro. Why are you lying? Check it out, guys. I removed all my sound deadening. Remember a couple of those holes right here? But yeah, that was a bitch. I don't know when this happened, but fuck, I got like a fucking stain on my seat. What the fuck, bitch? That fucking sucks. Fuck you. The homie's here. Finally. What's good, what's good?
What's good, what's good?
That Honda's sticking out way too much.
Dude, I know.
We're gonna have to flip this bitch.
Get your seats.
Shit, I didn't even notice that stain. I just seen it. I was like, what the fuck? I don't even know when that shit happened.
Yeah, drift car. Must be
Piece
nice.
of junk. I'm gonna get some cinematic shots on the tow truck. Look at this dude. Just told me, strip the fucking lug nut.
Hey man, don't buy aluminum.
About fucking time, god damn it. Damn Subarus. That took forever to fucking flip. That shit's heavy as fuck. That's you get yourself one of those. Lightweight. Back that booty up.
Watch it. Make room for Fanny.
Damn. My bad.
My bad.
Check it out, these are all reps.
Fake.
That shit's called baits right there. You guys don't know what this is. It's a tow hook.
Two of them.
Shit.
You see this exhaust?
That new design. Homie Jeremy got a hookup. Look
Shout
at
out
this.
to Fairfield Subaru for 1200.
Damn.
Damn.
Check this out.
Damn.
Them goods. About to do some heart surgery, man. What the fuck was that?
Fucking this is the new turbo I'm gonna be putting in.
Shit.
This is the Comp 20G.
No wonder it blew his engine. 1,000 horsepower.
Damn.
Stock block.
With a polished radiator.
For real. Damn, Subaru gives you free extra spark plugs, huh?
Yeah.
On the side. Yeah, officer, that's a stock intercooler.
It is.
It is.
Made by Process Subaru.
Shit. This shit's clean. Can't wait to get it running again. Finally. How long has it been?
7 months.
Fuck.
Yeah, bro.
Mine was down for 4 months, dude.
Damn. You a baller.
Look at this fool. Track Life oil
Doesn't even
cooler.
track.
I know. Look at this. Wanna be tow hook and shit.
For a license
The fuck
plate.
is that?
For a license plate.
Damn.
Look at the baffle.
Check this out, guys. This motherfucker spent retail on it.
Nah, bro. It was cheaper.
Damn, and they give you hardware? Must be
I guess they
nice.
don't give you silicone.
Damn. This fool's not playing.
Nah. I want rod nuts, bro.
No joke, man.
Fuck rod nuts.
Yeah. Man, this thing looks dope. Fuck, hella heavy
Nice,
duty. Fuck weight reduction. Add weight for balance. Let's get this shit out of the car. Fucking check your compression, guys, because this motherfucker got ringland. R.I.P.
60 PSI.
We'll get it done. Finally start rolling the street. And not in a fucking mom van over there. Fucking Subaru short block graveyard. That's my old one. That's his old short block. I mean, long block. Yeah, I was telling them too, that Frisco meet. That I've never been to one. I wanted to go. Check it out. You gonna go?
Yeah, with my girlfriend. You gonna take that?
So I'm gonna clean it right now. You gonna wash yours?
Yeah.
I know I'm hella lazy right now. Like I was like, fuck, I was just gonna vacuum the front and then just give it a little wash.
Your car's wrapped, it's fine.
It's pretty easy. Have you been to one of those before?
Yeah, long ass time ago.
Damn.
Maybe 4 years ago, before I got into cars.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna be filming as much as I can. Try to get some cinematic shots and just footage in general. Cause fuck, like the homie Jeremy said, it's probably gonna be pretty dope.
It's gonna be packed.
Fuck.
It's gonna be a lot.
We're at Mount Davis. If you guys are there, you guys probably won't know us. Cause I haven't even posted anything or edited anything. So fuck it, man.
Hey.
If you see this, it'll probably be like a year from now. Shit. But fuck it, we got footage.
Hey.
So gotta start somewhere.
Yep. You're right, you're right. Oh!
Oh, dun dun
Oh,
dun.
fucking back.
Fuck! You guys didn't know? This motherfucker's a dope ass photographer.
Nah, what do you mean?
Follow this fool's Instagram. I think you have 2 of them, right?
Yeah.
What are they?
Baruga Wrx and my first and last name Jeremy Blue.
I'll post it on there. The homie edited some outro photos for the videos. He's gonna show me right now.
I do.
Yo, that came out. Dude,
Yeah.
the wrap looks super slick. Damn.
This one came out good.
Yeah, dude, I broke into that place. Shit. Across the street.
From what? Oh, from that?
Yeah. Damn. I have some video of that day. Like, cause I wanted to do like a background, like video of the shoot. You haven't been to that spot, huh? All right, guys. I'm just gonna finish up cleaning my car, and then yeah, I'm gonna meet up with Jeremy. Fucking, we're taking our girls up to that tricker meet, and then so I'll see you guys over there.
Hey. We out.
Late.
We out.